Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is the Silverson L4R laboratory homogenizer. It's fitted with the standard rotor stator, which has the round holes in it. Of course, Silverson does offer a number of different varieties: slotted, square-holed screen, as well as a fine screen emulsifier. It's variable speed, operating on 120 volts. Single phase, of course. Got a small tank with it sitting on this table to demonstrate it for you today. Features a power lift. It has about 12.5 inches of clearance underneath that. Well, exactly 12.5 inches. Has it also, of course, up and down. Has an automatic stop. You can just hold the controller and it will stop. Same thing for going down. It will not bottom out. Leaves a little bit of space between the bottom of the vessel and the head. Has a variable speed control. These tachometers are really for reference, but close enough for government work, as they say. We're at about, it takes a moment for the fluid to catch back up to the speed of the rotor stator, which is a top speed, I think around 8,000 RPM. Most of these small ones are 7,500, up as high as 10,000. And then you see where now we reached the maximum speed there. Very nice little mixer for laboratory usage. It's one of the most popular mixer emulsifiers, the Silverson from England. We have lots of homogenizers in our stock, immersible and flow-through, as well as everything in process and packaging. I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.